How to save money. Freeze all of your expenses, all of your money going out. Only pay for your actual bills and actually count everything that you spend or want to spend on. Check and double check. That's how you save money. Hopefully you're honest with yourself and you tell yourself you don't need an extra pair of shoes. You don't need an extra dress. You don't need an extra video game. Do that for a whole year. Calculate everything that you've saved. And there you go. You have savings. Thank you for watching. Like the video.